Why does your scanner show the P1132 engine code? And what does it mean? The P1132 stands for the lack of upstream HO2S, heated oxygen switch sensor, rich in bank 1. The P1132 engine fault code indicates a lack of switching of the upstream heated oxygen switch sensor in bank 1, or that the sensor is rich. This is a diagnostic trouble code that requires immediate repair and stopping of the vehicle. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensor, fuel injector issues, MAF sensor problems, vacuum leaks, excessive fuel pressure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. The P1132 engine error code is only applicable on Ford models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.